Hello again to this training workshop series on Eclipse Error Framework. In this last video of this series, I will show a demo for deploying Intercloud system, allowing you to see how all the pieces come together based on our previously discussed steps for deployment, and I will show a real demo for Intercloud communication.
The demo consists of 4 Arrowhead local clouds. So the first one is a Z-Wave local cloud on the Raspberry Pi. Then we have a contract proxy workflow and OPC systems local clouds. Then we have a Fisher Technique factory and ActiveMQ broker system on a Raspberry Pi as well. Then we have a ROS local cloud. Then we have an OPC PLC and a ROS robot. Then we have few Z-Wave devices. First of all, it's the milling device with for indicating the milling process. Then we have a primary milling device indicator. Then we have milling actuator and the drilling actuator in the factory. Then we have drilling process indicator light as a primary. And then we have a backup drilling process indicator light. The Eclipse Arrowhead Framework toolchain here provides the integration across the product design to manufacturing lifecycle and from asset to the business layer. So the contract proxy negotiations and OPC workflow systems are integrated in a sequential toolchain where as the ROS robot and Z-Wave building local clouds are integrated with them in parallel. So here we can see that the sequence starts from the buyer and then the buyer in the contract proxy system local cloud, buyer requests the contract proxy buyer for asking the negotiation to the contract proxy seller, and then when there is an agreement between the contract proxies, then the seller generates a workflow order to the workflow system local cloud. And while the manufacturing phase is going on, the ROS robot and the Z-Wave adapter system, they are working in parallel and they are forming their functionalities. So the toolchain demonstration. In this demonstration, the buyer starts a negotiation with the seller using contract proxy systems, and upon successful negotiation, the seller system requests the workflow system to manufacture the product. The drilling and milling process of the factory is integrated with the Z-Wave light bulbs to indicate the process execution phase, respectively. The ROS robot picks up the product from offloading conveyor upon successful manufacturing. Toolchain demonstration with resilient and dynamic adaptation. In this video,